Hi, I'm Catherine. I'm going to show you how to create a Waverider aircraft shape and import it to Fusion360. This tutorial will begin in MATLAB, where we will derive the shape of the Waverider and convert it to an STL file, where we can then load this STL file into Fusion360 as a mesh body. A Waverider is an aircraft shape that takes advantage of compression lift to get high lift-to-drag ratios at a cruise Mach number. This aircraft shape is primarily used for hypersonic aircrafts to minimize the presence of shock waves at high speeds. The MATLAB script uses the aircraft design toolbox function, oscillating cone Waverider, to create a mesh for the optimal shape based on user inputs. To generate our Waverider shape and STL file, however, we will navigate to the Waverider to Fusion function. As you can see here, Waverider to Fusion has spaces to input variable parameters for the aircraft shape design. This is where you can alter the Mach, length, altitude, and beta. The next section allows you to scale your Waverider to any desired length necessary for the design. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will leave these values unchanged. The last section of this script allows you to save and export the Waverider shape into an STL file. Within the STL write line, we can change our file name. Let's name our file Waverider Tutorial for this video. Now we can run the Waverider to Fusion script. While this runs, this script is calling the oscillating cone Waverider function 2 times to get plots. These plots show the dynamic and static surface pressures, the shape, and the streamlines. MATLAB itself generates visuals for these calculations, but the script also automatically converts the mesh to a triangle mesh and exports it as an STL. Finally, we can move into Fusion360 to open this STL file for further design work. In a new design, we can scroll over to the Mesh tab and click Insert New Mesh to upload the Waverider STL. From here, we can browse from our computer for the Waverider tutorial STL file and just open it up. Before clicking out of this, take a look at the right-hand side of the screen where we can flip our Waverider shape upwards, center it, and ground it before hitting that OK button. And there you have it. We have successfully created a Waverider shape, exported it as an STL file, and imported into Fusion360 as a triangular mesh. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.